Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Transunion Fico score. So come to transunion.com, and once you hover over your credit, this section here at the top, you can click on free credit score and you'll be redirected to this page. And you just have to sign up for a free account to check your credit score. Remember guys, there is no credit card required, completely for free, and you'll get your Fico score, okay? And this is basically a subscription. It's free though. And if you want, you can get a daily score where you get, a Vantage score as well. But for FICO, it is free. Okay. You just come here, start creating your account. Remember, there's no credit cards that are required. So you come here, you start proceeding with the sign up process. As you can see now, this will go ahead and load up. This is the exact URL. If you want to go ahead and use a link, you can go there now. We just enter your mobile number, your email address, the last four digits of your social security number, and you can get started with the sign up process. Okay, completely free. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.